Hi everyone, welcome to our podcast on strategic management concepts. I'm Annabella and joining me today is Angelica. Today we also have our team members Daphne, Tarina, Jacob, Enki, and Carl. Today we're going to dive in what strategic management is, why it's crucial for businesses, and how it all works. So, let's jump right in.
Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Annabella. So now, Miss Daphne, could you break down what strategic management means in simple terms for our audience?
Sure, let me define what the strategic management means. So, strategic management is like a creative strategic plan. It involves creating and setting a good goals, understanding what the company is good at, and knowing where the company challenges it and face off.
Okay, so that's a great start, Daphne. So, Charina, can you explain why strategic management is so important?
Strategic management helps companies to stay competitive, and also it's about making smart decisions.
Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Charina. So now, Mr. Jacob, can you walk us through the steps of strategic management?
Yeah, sure. Strategic management has three main steps: formulation, implementation, and evaluation. Formulation is where we create our strategy. Implementation is where we put it into action. Evaluation is where we check if it's working and make adjustments.
Okay, so thanks, Jacob. So, Enki, can you explain how do companies make or have some competitive advantage through strategic management?
So maintaining competitive advantage, it means doing something better than the other competitors. So it's whether offering unique uh, products and giving a great customer service. So overall, it's all about getting ahead in the market.
Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Anki. So now, Mr. Carl, can you give us an example of strategic management in action?
Absolutely. In the Philippines, we see young entrepreneurs like Josh Bagaching and Jean Arboleda using innovative strategies to make a big impact in their industries. They are a great example of how strategic thinking can lead us to success.
Okay, so thank you for that, Carl. Now, anyway, Daphne, do you have any idea why mission and vision statements are important in strategic management?
Okay, so vision and mission is important because it explains the direction and purpose of the company. It helps the company why it work and where the company is going to.
Okay, so thank you so much, Miss Daphne. And Miss Charina, what else should companies consider in strategic management?
Companies should also consider external opportunities and threats, as well as internal strengths and weaknesses. This helps them from creating a strategy that is balanced and effective.
You know what? That's absolutely right, considering that our subject or our topic is about strategic management. So, Jacob, do you have any idea or how does the long-term objectives and goals fit into strategic management?
Long-term objectives are specific goals a company wants to achieve, while goals are a broader aspirations that guide its actions over time. Both help keep companies to focus on what's important.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Jacob. So now, Miss Anki, why do you think strategic management is crucial in businesses?
So strategic management can help companies to plan ahead and they can even maintain their competitiveness. And by understanding these concepts, companies can navigate their challenges and seize opportunity in their industry.
Okay, so all in all, thank you for being present here and thank you for your valuable insights. So we hope you found our discussion on strategic management concepts informative. So until next time, keep strategizing, and stay ahead. So, goodbye everyone!